Welcome back to Decorants. Want to make your summer table unforgettable this season without spending a fortune? Stick with me because in this video, I'm sharing the most creative, budget-friendly, and aesthetic summer table centerpiece hacks that are trending in 2025. These ideas are easy, elegant, and designed to wow your guests all summer long. Make sure to hit the subscribe button now if you love seasonal decor like this. And don't forget to like this video if you're ready for summer vibes. Let's start with one of the freshest trends, fruit-filled centerpieces. Lemons, oranges, and limes in clear vases or bowls instantly add a vibrant and summery feel. Would you try this idea? Comment below with your favorite fruit to decorate with, and I might feature your answer in the next video. For beach lovers, coastal decor is in full swing this summer. Combine driftwood, seashells, candles, and a touch of sand in a wide tray for a breezy coastal centerpiece. Another hit for 2025? Woven baskets turned into floral centerpieces. Mix wildflowers, faux pampas grass, or even sunflowers to match the relaxed boho vibe. If you love this boho basket idea, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. For those who prefer clean lines, a white and green centerpiece always feels elegant. Think simple white roses in a clear vase paired with eucalyptus or olive branches. Rustic lovers, don't worry, farmhouse charm is still going strong. Use a wooden crate, mason jars, burlap, and sunflowers to create a laid-back country table. Want more farmhouse ideas like this? Let me know in the comments and I'll create a full video on farmhouse summer decor. Don't shy away from color. Bright coral, hot pink, teal, and yellow are dominating this summer. Layer with colorful glassware or painted vases for a vibrant effect. Which centerpiece was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you made it this far, you're officially a summer decor lover. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell to never miss my upcoming videos on backyard styling, DIY wreaths, and seasonal table makeovers.